Hey guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger step by step, just like I'm doing it with you. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first open your Messenger app on your phone. Here I'm going to do it. I'm going to search Messenger on my phone and then open it. And now you will see a horizontal bar on the bottom right corner. Normally click on it. And from here, normally you have to choose settings. And if you scroll down a bit, you will get another option, privacy and safety. Click on it. And now go to end-to-end encryption chats. And then click on this message storage. And from here, choose turn off secure storage. And then click on this continue button. Great. This turns off encryption on this device only. But we also have to turn off on other devices. So normally click on this back button and now click on this security alerts. And now click on this view all logins. And here you will see all of the devices you logged in. To turn off encryption for each device, normally click one by one, scroll down, and choose logout. And click again on this logout button to turn off one by one. For example, I'm choosing this one, swiping down, logout, and logout. Again this one, logout, logout. Do the same process for all of the logged in devices and repeat for each device if needed. And that's it. You have turned off end-to-end encryption on Messenger across your devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials. Only here on Mr. Techfox. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.